Multiple issues with keyboard. First one, keyboard stop functioning complete. Second one, pressing the key once and type several characters. Third one is key presses are slow to respond. And fourth one is wrong character appear when typing. That time we have to change the keyboard language. Fifth one is computer beeps while typing. If your keyboard is stop functioning completely. This PC, right click, select manage. So it will open the computer management, and there is an option called left hand side device manager. Select that one, double click, and right hand side you are able to see there is an option called keyboard. Select the keyboard, right click, and check for update driver. There is search automatically for drivers. Select that one, so it will install drivers by internet itself only. So it shows best drivers for device already installed. So second, search for update drivers on Windows app. If you select, then it will update your Windows by defaultly. After that, close. Once Windows update is gone, again go to device manager and search for hardware changes. Now you are able to see your keyboard. Again your keyboard is not functioning after all this. Select uninstall device and select uninstall. After selecting uninstall, so it will, to finish removing the device, you must restart your computer. Do you want to restart? Press yes. After restarting, again come to computer management and see you are able to see your keyboard. We can check in safe mode. Once it is restarted, so you are able to see a multiple option. Select troubleshoot, go to advanced options, and there is a second option, startup setting. Select that one, startup settings. And there is so many options. Just enable safe mode. It is boot into safe mode. Check your keyboard is functioning properly or not. In this scenario also your keyboard is not working, then we can how to go to the BIOS mode. Please restart your system, and once you restart, and then you have to press F2 or F1 in Dell and Lenovo laptops go to the BIOS mode, and escape button in HP laptop, and go to the date and time option to check keyboard is working or not. Run the diagnostic test and check any error. How to go to the diagnostic? Restart your system and press F12 in Lenovo and Dell laptop to go to diagnostic tool, and F9 in HP laptop to run the diagnostic. And select run complete diagnostic or select only keyboard only. So in diagnostic you receive any error about keyboard, then keyboard having a problem. A second problem is pressing the key once, type several times. How to troubleshoot that one? To start, type keyboard and select open button. Here you are able to see character repeat. There is two options, repeat delay and repeat rate, and you can adjust the settings. Apply. Okay. Settings, select ease of access, select keyboard option, and scroll down. There is a use filter keys. Just you have to disable that one. And one more problem, wrong characters appear while typing. That is a problem with your keyboard language. So we have to change the keyboard language. Go to search, edit language and keyboard option. open. There is a language option, select that one, and see, you're able to see English United Kingdom and English India. In your cases, if it is any like a keyboard layout is France, Japanese, it is there, then you have to make changes to English United. Select English United, next, and close. One more problem is computer beeps while typing. How to solve the computer beeps while typing? Go to Start, go to Settings, select Ease of Access, select Keyboard option. There is a use sticky keys, just here to disable that one. Press one key at a time for keyboard shortcut. So if it is enabled, just you can disable that one. And one more option, use toggle keys. Just you play a sound whenever you press caps lock or numlock Costco. Just you can off that option and close. So finally, to check it is a OS issue, to start, type command, open the command prompt mode as a run as administrator. Once command prompt open, here if your keys are working perfectly, then that might be an issue with your OS issue or driver issue. Same before what we checked in safe mode and command prompt mode are both are same. Here no drivers or application will run. It is a normal mode.